All right, we're live again, back Wealth Wednesdays here on HighNet Academy. I'm Kevin Thompson, founder of HighNet Academy, and just going to take a moment just to wait for everyone to join. Wait a few seconds. Today, our topic on Wealth Wednesday is and then some. Just going to wait a couple more seconds, and then we're going to talk about our topic. All right, so today we're going to discuss and then some. And what am I talking about particularly today is going to be dividends and stocks. And a dividend is a distribution of extra profits that a company may have that they give out to their shareholders. And the reason why they give these dividends is because sometimes it's like a reward or a bonus or a thank you for being participants in the investment of their business. Because as a stock owner, you own part of that business. And rightfully so, you can participate in dividends. What's really, really great about dividend stocks is that you get to participate not only with the increase in that stock as it rises in price and value, but you get this extra bump. And that is where that and then some comes. What I wanted to do was just share with you a few of the top paying dividend stocks that are out here right now. I'm going to list them in the comment section below. This is live at the moment, but once I repost it, you're going to see them in the bottom. I'm going to list the top 10 paying ones. I'm going to talk about why they're so important to have. Not these stock in particular to say to own them, but why they're just such a great paying stock. And you're going to see why a dividend gives you that bump, that sum that we speak of. So probably going to talk about the top 4 or 5. There's a company called Lumen Technologies. They're in the communication service industry. Last year, the stock itself did a return of 13.4%. And they paid out a 9% dividends to their shareholders. So that means if you had owned 100 shares of this company and this company was $1, you would have received a $9 dividend. Now, it may not seem like much, but of course, these companies were more than $1. And when you add that value, that dividend payout, along with the 13% that they speak of, you're talking about a total net return for the year of 22.5%. That's amazing. The next stock we're going to talk about is Oneok. It's a ticker symbol OKE. They're in the energy sector. They did a 14.7% return, and they paid out a dividend of 8.5%. And of course, the others, Iron Mountain, they're a real estate group. They did a 2.8% return for the year on the company, but they still paid out a pretty high dividend of 8.4%. So cumulatively, they still paid out a little over 11%, which is amazing. So the point here is the reason why you want to participate in dividend stocks, and we talk about the wealth mindset, is that if there's a little bit more that you can get out of your investment and what you're trying to do, go for it. And dividend stocks are a great way for those who want to be more passive and probably want to have a more passive investment where they don't want to think too much about moving aggressively in the market, but looking for a pretty decent return. The dividend stock is the best way to do for it, to go for it, excuse me. But again, I'm going to post all the top 10 ones. You can, again, do the research as we always encourage you to do so and look them up yourself. Find some others that may interest you, other sectors, and buy where you can, and get in where you can fit in, as they would say. But in this case, we want you to increase knowledge, to increase your worth. And this is why we share this with you. I look forward to our conversations tomorrow. And thank you again for always being, here and supporting what we're doing. And please share, like, comment, and check out our website as usual and see if there's any course that you think that may be helpful to you that you might want to learn more about what, you want to do and invest in this market. So again, my name is Kevin Thompson. Thanks for joining us here at HighNet Academy. You have a great one.